Gotham Queen.
What the heck? She wanted to get. Hello?
She can go first. Oh, wait.
Where are
What would you like? I draw really badly because I'm the writer, but I can do a little something.
Okay, how about heads up? The line for Chiang.
It's a very cartoony and terrible Green Arrow, but
Okay,
that's
it'll be
the
better
cover.
than what I can do.
I don't know about that.
And he actually remembered, so I was kind of touched.
You guys enjoying the cover?
He remembered, so I was kind of touched. Do you enjoy this?
Yeah.
Granted,
This is, we work in, a little dark rooms. This is our only opportunity to actually,
and like
meet the folks who,
other guys
read our work.
I guess they're okay with it. I know, I'm liking this. But your boy's here. Alrighty, I'll see you in a bit. I'll wait for you here, alright? Yeah, it's definitely several orders of magnitude better than I can do.
I don't know about that. A little bit of practice, believe me.
Thank you very much.
Very welcome. So how was the Eisners? I can't believe you went.
I liked your sketch. I thought it was good.
You'd like another? One of the same? Okay.
Yes, please.
The Eisners are actually.
You guys want water or something?
Really? Yeah, I'm getting. You're the only person who said that. Everyone else I've talked to has been like, oh my god, it was horrible.
Yeah, absolutely. You having fun yet?
Very much so.
Brad Nelson, my buddy, Bradley and I go back.
Right, so you got to hang out with him?
Yeah, no, I grew up, well, my plan was, to be honest with you, is to go to hold his hand while he lost. Because they never give it to superhero comics, so he was nominated for best single issue story. So
right.
I just, I thought we'd go and
There you are. Yeah. Where is she?
leave after an hour or two and, go to parties. Then Sam Jackson gets up there. Samuel L. Jackson gets the award for, and Brad wins.
Oh,
Right, nice.
It was awesome. It was awesome. Just totally shocked.
But I just love seeing how it's done, and it's like everybody has their own different way of doing it.
There's
of
some
doing
fun surprises, some very nice moving speeches. Paul Levitt's got the Humanitarian Award, the Philanthropy Award, and gave a really wonderful, rousing speech. It was cool.
Great.
And some of it was so enormously boring, you were just hoping to get hit in the head. But it was cool. When your friends win, then it becomes a little more interesting.
Yes. Very.
Did he win? Did Brad win?
Yeah, Brad won for JLA, for best single issue story.
Unfortunately, all mine.
One terrible Batman coming.
My first sketches was from Mr. Chiang.
I don't mind.
Try to get I've been working on all this convention.
Oh, so it was just this convention, this whole book?
This is my first comic book convention ever.
Oh, wow.
So,
You got all those?
Mr. Chiang, you were the first one. I was hoping I could get
You're
Black
pretty
Canary.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Damn.
Yeah.
So you
a lot of
haven't
time
gone to a
in the
single
DC
panel,
booth.
have
That's
you?
about my spirit.
Huh?
You haven't gone to a single panel, have you?
Stayed right here in the DC booth the entire time.
Ah. So you know all this music by heart.
Oh, God.
I was thinking I should look up the words to the Watchmen theme and then be able to sing along.
Yes.
Yeah, I have officially been satiated on that trailer. I wasn't before I came here, but now I am.
I have a booth, so all fine. Over there, right by entry the exit. Which booth? 2026 Dialogue Studio. It's self-publishing, indie stuff like There you go, need lunch. Best way to let me write.
Thank you so much.
I spent only, I think, a little more time than Darwin Cook did.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, he's got a very simple, quick sketch. Hey, how are you, man?
Pat.
What's that?
Angela.
Robin? I can try.
Twitter.
Huh?
A comic book girl.
Put you in front of the line.
He was cool like that. There's a story behind it.
Huh?
There's a story behind it.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.